guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you're watching Mariam's World. Today we're gonna serve a dinner table. Mostly people don't know how to cook, but thankfully I don't know how to cook, but I know how to do stuff. So let's look at the table a little bit closely. Your knife and your spoon will always stay on the right side. Your fork and your big fork and your small fork will always stay on your left side. So this fork is for salad and this one's for dinner. You may get confused sometimes, but always remember salad fork. You put them right here. This one's the biggest one, this one's the smallest. So this is your dinner fork. You put it here, closely to your plate. So if you put it that side, it may hurt someone's hand or head, or if you're close to some of your neighbors and their things. So this is dinner spoon, and this is dessert. Dessert is always my favorite. If you like dessert, then make a thumbs up button in my video. So last but not least, we have glass, and we have a salad bowl, we have a plate, and we have let me remember. I hope you like my video today. The other video I'm going to be making, you know what? It's going to be about a restaurant, how you act in a restaurant, and how you behave, and all the good things you do in a restaurant. So I hope you like my video today. Before we leave, I'm going to give a shout out to one of my dentist's office. Today he heard that I was going to move, and I'm going to give a shout out to Preston's dad. I hope you like my video today. Bye!